Just 5 minute massage with this oil and all unwanted hair will disappear forever. In brief moments, a written explanation. Numerous women face troubles with undesirable hair at the seen areas of the frame, like as an example their palms, foot, face and return. It makes them feel uncomfortable, embarrassed and without self-assurance. This trouble seems due to several elements like irregular menstrual cycle, imbalance of hormones within the frame, because of being pregnant or use of sure medicines. Nowadays, there are various techniques to cast off that undesirable hair: electrolysis, waxing, laser hair removal, and so on. But regrettably, they may be very luxurious and plenty of ladies can't have enough money them. Luckily, for you there are numerous conventional natural treatments, and here, we're going to offer you one in every of them. You can use it without any side effect, and it is tons cheaper than the strategies available from beauty clinics. Test our recipe. You will want 1 tablespoon of iodine 2%, 1 cup of toddler oil. Instruction and alertness. 1. First, blend the substances nicely. Then, rub your hairy location with this combination for numerous minutes. 2. Go away it to stay like that for 5 minutes. 3. Wipe it off the usage of a moist cloth. 4. This oil will forestall the boom of your hair, and also you'll quickly note that every one unwanted hair began to vanish. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.